we have this message: thank you for using Delta Executor. As you can see, we have this message, so just click. What's up people, and welcome to my brand new review. In this review I will show you how I got Delta Executor for Roblox with the new update. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website called Avlope, then type in search Delta Executor and you will find the online tool. Click there guys, and I will have to enter our Roblox user ID. So if you don't know how to find it, just click here, or let me just show you. So open your profile Roblox and just copy your profile link. Okay, let's get back to the R tool. Okay, and then you have paste button, press continue guys, and let's see the next step. As you can see, it found and our Delta Executor Roblox profile is activated. So let me show you the next step. Just click on button and select scripts that you want to add to your account guys. So I will select these scripts. Let me click continue and let's see does it actually work. So guys, if you want to follow the latest tutorial for Delta Executor, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I record more of these and review more websites for now. This Avlope is an amazing website for this. AP connected, nice. Just scroll down and click I'm not a robot to verify yourself. Perfect guys, and now we're on the manual verification step, the last one, the most important steps. What we need to do here guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete 2 simple questionnaire. It's your choice. Just click here on free, click go, and please start downloading from the official publisher for the app are downloaded. Complete the task. Below each task you have a description what you have to do. So guys, I will download Travel Town and Underdog Fantasy, so I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this task and this task, and I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along these redirecting tags. Guys, I'm waiting about 1 minute and nothing happened, so let's wait together and let's see. Nice guys, verification successful. Thank you for passing the double check. Delta Executor is important to your account guys. I'm so excited to test this. So let me open the game and let's test does it actually works. Let's see guys. Okay, so let me play this. Okay, and let's see. Okay guys, now I'm in the game and we have this panel. So let me show you. We have this message: thank you for using Delta Executor. As you can see, we have this message. So just click on this home screen and we actually get our all scripts that we select. So just click execute, wait a little bit, and you will get your scripts. So yeah, that's pretty much it for this review. Thank you for watching and see you in the next. Bye.